Bringing royalty treats and little meats, we'll be visiting the Central African Republic. This dish will truly take us to the heart of Africa. Grab your ingredients and let's go. The Central African Republic is exactly what it describes, a republic located in the very center of Africa. Sitting at about 620,000 square kilometers, it is home to about 4.5 million people. It sits near the equator and hosts many savannas. Humans have lived in this area for at least the last 10,000 years. Various ethnic groups inhabited the land during this time. France was the first European country to colonize the land, naming it the Ubangi-Shari territory, which eventually turned into French Equatorial Africa. Upon the rise of the movement for the social evolution of Black Africa, the Central African Republic declared its independence in 1958 and achieved it in 1960. This was soon followed by the dictator leadership of Jean Bedel Bokassa and the short-lived Central African Empire. It was France that ultimately overthrew him and returned the country to being a republic. The Central African Republic has since been trapped in a civil war that has been going on since 2012. The capital city of the Central African Republic is Bangui, and the country speaks French and Sango as official languages. It is one of the poorest countries in the world, gaining most of its income from mineral deposits such as gold and diamonds. Most of the population is Christian, with a small Muslim minority. For the spinach stew, you will need 1 small onion finely chopped, tablespoon of oil, 1 tomato peeled and sliced, 1 green bell pepper chopped, half a kilogram of fresh spinach chopped, salt, 1 hot chili pepper, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. In a very large casserole, fry the onions in moderately hot oil until golden brown in color. Add the tomatoes and green pepper. After about a minute, add the spinach, salt, and chilies. Cover with a tight-fitting lid, reduce to simmer, and cook for 5 minutes. Mix the peanut butter with several tablespoons of warm water and form a smooth paste. Add this to the pot and continue cooking for a further 15 minutes, stirring frequently. If necessary, add small amounts of water to the pot to prevent the contents from burning. Serve on a bed of rice. Very enjoyable. Not a real strong peanut butter taste like I thought it'd be, and feel the spice of the chili coming in with the peanut butter. So yeah, pretty good.